Say goodbye to unpleasant odors with Eliminator Odor Neutralizer, the ultimate solution for lasting freshness. Available in a variety of delightful fragrances including orange, linen, green apple, plumerias, margarita, mango, and more, there's a scent to suit every preference. Eliminator is a powerful, concentrated formula that doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them at their source. And with just one spray, it works its magic for up to 24 hours. Here's how to use it. Start small. Test Eliminator in a smaller area first before expanding its use to larger spaces. In a small bathroom, one spray is all you need. Step away and let it do its job. Within seconds, the powerful fragrance of Eliminator will neutralize bad odors, filling the area with a delightful scent. Need targeted action? Simply spray the Eliminator directly onto the source of the odor. Its powerful formula tackles unpleasant smells head-on. Using an evaporative deodorizer, add Eliminator sparingly to the water. A little goes a long way to ensure long-lasting odor control. Whether it's airborne odors or hard-to-reach spots, Eliminator has you covered. With a range of captivating fragrances, from fresh linen to exotic mango, ensuring every space smells just the way you love it. For first aid instructions, safety data sheets, or more information, visit victorferia.com/how-to/eliminator. Eliminator, because fresh matters.